Hello, so in this video I will explain how to place all these furniture objects inside my building. So let's start from my chair. So in this case I need to grab this point, the bottom part of my chair. I click snap and I navigate to my room and place it in my room. And let's place maybe a sofa object. And I would like to rotate it. So let's rotate it by 90 degrees. Click escape. Snap object and place it in a nice position. And additionally, I will place a table. So with table, I will use the same. I will rotate it and change a little bit position. Now if I want to place object exactly to my wall, so in this case I can try to use measure tool and measure the distance to the wall and change this distance maybe to 0. And my object was moved exactly to the wall. Let's click tab, 0. And now my object is placed by side to the wall. And after you finish, you can delete all these extra elements which is not needed for final version. And here we have a nice room with some furniture. Thank you for your attention. Hope this class and these tips help you to create interesting furniture and place them inside your room. Thank you. Bye.